learned years ago and was kind of taught all my life that if you want something done right, you're gonna have to do it yourself. And after falling in love and being very passionate with the insurance industry, I always knew that there was a better way. And it reached a point one day to where I said, okay, it's time to put that into action and let the rubber meet the road. I'm a firm believer in treat others the way that I want to be treated. I'm a big golden rule guy, and I'm very hard to please. So I know that if we can treat each policyholder like if it's somebody as hard to please, such as me, I know that we're setting the standard where we need to set it at and doing things above and beyond and doing it the right way. Anything worth doing is worth overdoing, and everybody here has bought into that, and policyholders have become very receptive to that because now they feel that they're valued and feel that they mean something, and they're not just a transactional customer, but they're actually building a relationship with us, with our agency.
Doug holds us to a very high standard, and the way we treat our people, the way we handle our policies, the way we think about our clients, everything we do, we just try to do 110% all of the time.
One of our primary jobs is to make sure our clients are taken care of day in and day out. So one of our hallmarks here is we don't leave the office until something's done for them.
You know, not a day goes by where we leave at 5 o'clock, when the bell dings, if there's still stuff left to do. We make sure to give every client a call back. Even if we don't have anything for them, we like to, update them, let them know that we didn't forget about them.
We really just care. We're not trying to take anybody's money. A lot of people just think all insurance companies are just giving you a number and walking away. But we do give a number, but we never walk away.
I love our clients. They're truly like some of the best people I get to talk to every day. And even if, we're working through a difficult situation, at the end of it, it's just, knowing that I have this personal relationship with our clients, and there's a lot of mutual respect. They're not just calling into a call center and getting someone. They know who they're calling and they know who to ask for.
I'd say the biggest difference with us is we like to refer to it as our white glove service. We have a very unique white glove service that we offer to clients, and it's a way that we personally cater to them. You call here, we know you by name, okay? We don't have to spend the time figuring out who we're speaking to and basically again move back into just a transaction. We've already spoken to you previously to check on you, ask about the family, ask how things are going, ask where we can help, maybe even speak to you on your birthday. But we know you, we know who you are, we live in your community, we interact with you.
We have such an amazing group of clients here that when I wake up in the morning, it's not like I'm ready to come to work. I get to talk to people who've been with me since my first child was born, Finley, who call and ask how she's doing, and people who get to be here for the second child. It's just, we have a great group of clients that just make it exciting to come to work every day.
It's like that, but I like to help people. And in insurance, I can make sure they're taken care of when they have a problem, when something happens to the home, to their cars. I can at least relieve the worry. And it's a way, I guess, I get to help and connect with people.
So we actually cover everything. We have all of your household lines, your personal. I also do commercial, small business. We move into some financial products with an insurance wrapper around them. We have somebody that does specialize in health insurance that we can get for our policyholders. So the whole idea was we want for a policyholder of ours to be able to call here for anything involving insurance, and they make that one phone call and it's taken care of for them.
A lot of people don't know what certain coverages are and how they affect you, and how choosing the lowest option could potentially hurt you in the worst way. Really just making people feel like they know what they're buying versus just having to buy it because the state requires it.
Alfa's slogan has always been best agents in the business, and I was kind of drawn to that when I was deciding who we wanted to back the agency. And I'll tell you what a blessing, because of all the options that were looked at. When you go and meet with a company, sit down with a company that opens up with prayer and finishes with prayer, and treating the customer and the policyholder is number one above everything else, that's what I wanted to hitch my wagon to. So, not to sound boastful or arrogant, but best agents in the business, 100%.